Hi all, welcome back. H here from Liquid Earth. Today we're going to look at the snapshot function in Lightroom Classic CC. So I'm in the develop module in Lightroom Classic. We've got some images open here. Now often, if you're like me, you might create some virtual copies if you want a different version of an image or you want to experiment. So if I want a black and white version, for instance, I can have a virtual copy. And that's just a copy of the settings, not the image itself, so it's not taking up much room. But another option, and a great one I think, is this snapshots option. So let's just work with this virtual copy for the time being. So if you've finished an edit, like I have here, then you can create a snapshot, and let's call that edit. Let's reset the image, and we can create another snapshot, and we might call that original. So we've quickly created two snapshots. Whatever one you click on is the default version that's going to show in all versions of Lightroom. But of course you can always come back in and change to a different version. So let's go back into our edit. Let's create a black and white version. I can now create a new snapshot and let's put BW for the black and white image there. And now I have the original, the full edit that I've made, and the black and white snapshot. So that's a nice way to add different versions of your image without actually creating this separate virtual copy. So they're all retained within this one icon and we can just swap between them. But there you go, that's a quick way to create these copies called snapshots in Lightroom Classic CC. Hope that was useful for you. If it was, give me the thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more of these. I'm posting every single week. Thanks again, really appreciate you watching. And I'll see you next time. Take care.